Oh, welcome back, y'all. So, it just looks so much different now, and it feels complete. Now that it's on the ground. I don't know why, it just looks, I'm not used to seeing it on the ground anymore, and that looks pretty cool. Dang, look at it, it's in there. So, I tied up a bunch of little things. I didn't wire my boost controller in, I just hooked these lines up for now. I have some push lock stuff. Should be here today sometime. I got the IAD in there. Just did a bunch of little things. I wired the boost gauge up and a few other odds and ends, but so Jason Dillard, my tuner, check out Dillard Tuned on YouTube. He told me to just take it out and just cruise and like tip into a little bit and just see if it acts all right. It's on a very primitive base map, so I'm not going to do anything crazy. I don't really have anyone with me to record, so I'm probably just going to cruise for a second, maybe hit a pound or two and see what happens. And then once we get a little data for them and get things dialed in a little more, then I'll find someone to record and we'll get on it a little bit, and you will see that here in just a second. It made its first drive. I just went to the gas station and back, filled it up. I got in a boost a little bit. It feels all right, but I've found some issues. It's not that bad. Might have a boost leak. I don't know. Probably. And then I have a fitting in the back leaking right here. So I just ordered another one fitting for $50, and that should be here in a couple days. And then this little plug's leaking. I'm gonna have to fix that. So I'll deal with that soon, but we got a familiar face here today. Everybody remembers Keon, aka Mr. LS Subaru, aka Teacups. So we're gonna go around the block real fast before it rains, and he's gonna do a little recording for us.
What are you usually, what were you shifting at before?
Shift around 7. The rev limiter's at 7350.
Okay.
It's a little hot. Well, it's not hot, but see, I gotta rev it to get the temperature to come down, just because the factory pump, it's got such a long distance to travel to the back, so when you give it a little gas, the temperature will come down. It's not bad. Like mid 190s for 88 degrees outside is great. Oh yeah, and I keep forgetting to tell everyone, VS Racing Gen